Hi, I'm Nadine Batat, and on behalf of Tomorrow's Technician and Continental Belts and Hose, I'd like to introduce our May 2025 Student of the Month. Amit Hiregoudar is a senior at Waltham High School in Waltham, Massachusetts, where he excels in the Automotive Technology program. Known for his strong work ethic and natural aptitude for repair, Amit supports his peers in the shop and sets a high standard through his leadership. He's currently thriving in a co-op position at a local Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram dealership, where he's earned praise for his professionalism and initiative. Welcome to Amit. Amit, what inspired you to take automotive classes?
Well, ever since I was like a young kid, I always liked cars. I always used to play with like Hot Wheels and stuff like that. And then I saw the movie Cars and I was instantly hooked onto it as an addiction. And then I started working on small little projects like two-stroke bikes and stuff like that. And then going into high school, I knew that the school had an auto tech program and I always wanted to be in it. So I kind of just went into there and that was my goal.
Very cool. What has been the most challenging concept or repair you've learned in class?
I would say probably electrical. Electrical's pretty challenging. I'm doing a draw test right now at work, and it's a little complicated, especially when you get into like the modules and CAN bus. You're looking at all that and what's keeping your bus awake. So yeah, that would be pretty complicated.
That's awesome. Can you describe a typical day at your co-op placement?
Yeah, so I usually get in at around 7:30. I usually just help out the shop emptying barrels and stuff like that, and then I'll usually get a job, which can either be anything from like a new vehicle prep that comes off the truck. It can be like a waiter, oil change, whatever, or I can go into some heavy duty stuff where we do transmission rebuilds or engine rebuilds. And even the tech that I work with is a diesel tech, so we do some diesel diagnostics as well.
Very cool. What advice would you give to younger students considering a career in automotive?
For me, I would just say like don't be shy and don't be afraid to learn something new. It's okay to mess up. I've done it in the past, but definitely learn from your mistakes. And also just don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. That's how I learned best and learn best by doing things rather than just sit back and watching.
That's awesome advice. And finally, Amit, what are your plans for the future?
So I'm actually going to Virginia Tech after high school to be a mechanical engineer, and I hope to join their Formula SAE team where they build formula cars and stuff like that. And hopefully after that, I can get a job at like maybe Cummins Diesel or hopefully Mopar and Stellantis in Detroit.
Awesome. Amit's instructor, Charlie Rose, says,
I've been teaching here for probably 9.5 years, and Amit is one of the better students that have come through our program. He's top notch. He is going to go into the engineering end of automotive, and he's going to excel at whatever he does. He's a really good kid, and his father and mother have been in here before, and you can see where he comes from. He's a really good kid.
Amit, on behalf of Tomorrow's Technician and Continental Belts and Hose, congratulations and good luck with everything moving forward. Instructors and students, this wraps up our final Continental Student of the Month video for the 2024-2025 school year. To the instructors, thank you for your continued dedication to the future of our industry. And to the students, thank you for letting us share your inspiring stories. I'm Nadine Batat. Thanks for watching.